Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Alright, this is a two-parter. I'm going to show you number one. Oh boy, this one's heavy. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. This is a good way to protect your home, your office, your small business, or pretty much everything. This is Outdoor Smart PTZ Solar Battery Camera. Apple Android Store. 100% wireless, smart AI event detection. Full HD human detection, AI analyst. Battery powered, solar powered, color night vision. Multi-user sharing. Two-way audio. Pan tilt rotation. Oops. See, it shows a person that's walking in the yard. Animal detection. Car detection. Package recognition. Alright. We'll definitely set this up. I'm not sure where I'm going to stick this one outside yet, so we'll just do everything in this video. We got the manual. Got a little note. And make sure to plug it in good. I got the solar panel right here. Nice protected. We got some mounting brackets. A lot of goodies in this bag. Oh. Why is it so heavy? There's a USB cable. Here's the camera. Remove the film right here. This is from MICU. Not sure how you pronounce it. I think it just goes like, I could go anyway. There's the bottom. That's where you got the those things in there. I'll show you in a second. Tend to go this way. It's probably like this. Up, down. It's really nice though. I'm liking it. Here's back. That's where the USB goes. Right there. And let me put this right here for now. Can open these goodies. I'm going to grab my tablet, download the app, and then set it all up. So make sure you set it all up first, and then, you know, do the install, and then you'll be good to go. I got the screws. Got this. Got this. Got this one. And then the USB. And now the solar panel. Ooh. This is different. I like this. Look at that. It's really nice. Really nice solar. It's a long one too, so get a lot of room. USB goes to, oh, there's the bottom. You probably want to stick the power. This is probably for charging it. And then I would say probably in here. There we go. See, oops, sorry about that. Give you guys a little elbow. Gotta pop this thing in here. There we go. That's where it goes. That should be good, nice and tight. Make sure, just in case of weather, you know, get damaged. There's QR code. There's a speaker right there. This is a power and SD slot. Okay, so make sure you keep it, you know, just in case you move from different homes or apartments or whatever. You have that just in case. I'm not going to be needing this whole thing, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Because like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to stick this yet, so. And install. And this should be easy. Let's go like, where does it go? Right here. So you can have it like this. Choose road through. Oops. Sorry, I already did it wrong. Oh well. Happens. There we go. Loop it through. I'm gonna need both hands. There we go. There we go. Make sure you get this nice and tight. Like that. And the screws right there mounting. And then oh boy. Hold on. There we go. This is the way it's supposed to be like. You can always adjust your antennas back like that. There we go. So you can just screw it in those 3 holes right there. And you'll be good to go. So I mean, nice little cam. Let me grab my tablet and then we'll download the app and install. The app is called Vicohome. Home security app. And then we're gonna set that up right about now. Alright, they give you an option, battery device or plug-in device. Ours is battery device. See now, there we go. Allow. There we go. Alright, let me enter my password for my Wi-Fi. Sounds like a doorbell. Confirm. Connect. Come on. Give me 1 second. There we go. Connection success. Should take a second.
Connection succeeded.
Yeah. That's a good sign. So this setups are really easy. There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. Check. Smart camera. Front door, living room. Living room for now, because I don't know where I'm gonna. Smart cam. Yeah, that's fine. Config. Alright. Solar. Save. See, this is where you could do the adjustments. It shows you how to do it. Not now. I gotta do a quick update. Firmware. Should take a few seconds. But yeah, that was really easy to set up. So definitely, if you're interested in getting a camera for your home business, this is going to be a good one, guys. I like how easy it was to connect, so that's always a good start. And nice solar panel there too. And update still doing its thing. I'm going to press pause. Alright guys, we got it all set up now. Look how clear this is. I don't know if you guys can tell from that little screen, but it looks amazing. There's position, audible alarm. Press to talk, allow. Hello. Hello. Whoa. Now that's motion. In case creeper comes by. And bada boom. And I'll see. Hey, that's nice. Then once motion goes, you get a notification that somebody's creeping. There we go. We'll keep it sideways. That looks a lot better. Well, there I am. There I go. And then you can pull the menu up from here. Go to settings, audible. You can choose a position. There we go. You can change the name. Flip into that. And then settings. Oops. Come on. So you could adjust. It's really smooth. And we're gonna go user library, all that stuff right there, the battery, home. So pretty much that's good to go, I do believe. Settings. There we go. So this is where your motion detection sensitivity could change. All the way. I think they. There we go. So you can change all that. And you can see everything, name, battery level, Wi-Fi, alarm settings, for some reason, audio. So all the features are there. This is definitely a nice camera to get at a low cost. All you gotta do is click that link down below and check it out. Be safe. Have a good day. See ya.